Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to sell clothes or items you don't use anymore. Listing on Vinted is completely free and takes just a few minutes. Well, if you do it properly, your item can sell much faster. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually list a normal item on Vinted, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So you can either use the Vinted app or you can go all the way to check the Vinted.com website. As for me right now, I'm just gonna go to desktop. All we're gonna do is go, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, all the way and look for Vinted.com. So tap on this website, it will open a new window here. Go all the way and use your email address and password so you can basically access your dashboard. You will be able to see this sell now button. So for example, we're gonna tap on it, sell now. So they're gonna ask you to actually upload a picture, a title, tell buyers what you are selling, then basically description, tell buyers more about it. Then you can select basically category as well, then select a price. After all of this, you can either save as draft or just upload it directly, and that's the main idea. So after selecting the correct category, size, and even brand, after writing also a clear description, just upload it, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.